guys, it's so cold outside. We didn't stay out there very long, but we got like a foot of snow, and we never get that much snow around here. So I filmed a little bit of us outside. We ended up coming in because Scarlett's feet started hurting and my feet started hurting because we were getting snow down in our boots because it was so deep. And Samuel stayed out just a few minutes longer, but then I made him come in. And his chin, he's like, my chin's burning, Mom. And I'm like, yeah, because it's, you know, so cold outside. Anyway, but they did get to enjoy it for a few minutes because we never get snow where we live. And so we just wanted to play in it for just a few minutes. So here's the video. Enjoy. Be super careful. It's super slippery. Don't run, don't run, don't run. I'm telling you, it's slippery. Step. All right, careful. Woo.
Oh, my thumb. My thumb.
Your thumb, it's gonna be cold. You better be careful.
Hello.
Oh, your brother's on his four-wheeler.
Yeah.
Ooh, it's so deep. My feet is sinking. Woo, don't run. It's going in my boots when I run. Look at Samuel. He's about to make the yard look ugly with them tire tracks everywhere. I walked through the track. It's not as deep. What does the snow taste good? Catching snowflakes on your tongue? Oh, did you just eat it?
Now I just stick it.
Snow party, is that what you said?
Yeah, snow party. Snow party.
Look at Samuel. He's trying his best up there. It's not as deep right here. See? And it's not getting down in your boots. See? It's not as deep. Look at your brother. He's trick riding. Ooh, down, Scarlett. Oh, don't run, you're gonna slip off. Samuel's putting it up, I think. Ooh, they're stinky. All that gas and it's making me cough. What's the matter? They come off? I'll fix it. All that loud stuff's gone. Let's get warm for just a second right in here. And then we'll go back out there. You want to? Huh? No? Are you done? Would you want to go outside in the snow? Huh? Uh-oh, here's Samuel. What are you doing? Don't throw snow on us. It's too cold. 16 degrees if it's not colder than that by now. We're gonna try to make it. Did you make it? Don't run. You're gonna slip. Oh, see, I told you. It's too slippery. Too slippery. 3-pointer. Whoa! You knocked all the snow off. You're slipping everywhere. Don't hit your sister with the ball. Okay?
Okay.
Almost.
Almost.
Try again. Dud. Can't dribble in the snow. That's for sure. Oh, what did you do? Oh my goodness. Cold snow. Don't run into the... Whoa!
You're so safe.
Don't run into the garage, Scarlett. You'll slip. It's so quiet out here.
Yeah.
Especially since they put the four-wheeler up in this.
Yeah. Mama.
What? Oh no. Is your fingers getting real cold? Yeah.
I'm jumping as hard as I can over the ditch.
You better quit. You're going to fall in. And then you're going to be soaking wet and die of the hypothermia. What are you doing? You made the yard look gross and nasty with your four-wheeler.
Oh, come on. Are you going to help me build the snowman?
You want to come help build a snowman? Or at least try? Is it too cold, son?
No, I got some in my sleeve.
Uh-oh. I got it in my boots. because it's going up over my boots. Is it getting in your boots too?
No, it's not in my boots because I got. See my.
Oh, you got your jeans. Yeah, mine don't go over my boots.
Okay. Now I'm
That snowman building didn't last very long.
I'm gonna jump off the ladder, Mama.
Jump off the ladder.
Yeah, you ready?
Okay, what are you doing?
I'm jumping off.
Okay, go. Interesting.
Snow monster.
Ah! That Scarlett's screaming.
You ready? I'm gonna throw it at her.
No, do not hit her with snow. It's too cold. Oh. What's your dad doing?
You just get about this tall and then you shape it how you want to shape it.
So we're just gonna have a snowman in front of the car. His car broke down. He had to get out. He froze to death. So we're just snowman.
Oh, Charlotte just got it. He was sitting right there in the snow. I'm gonna go see if I can see his tracks.
The bird's tracks?
Yeah. No!
She just messed that up for you.
Whoa! Oh, look at that.
Oh, is he down in the...
Yeah, he's bigger than his nose.
He's like, oh no, you're getting too close.
Let's see if I see his tracks. Oh!
Did you find his tracks?
No, I stepped in a hole.
You stepped in a hole?
Let's see. I think it's too light.
Yeah, his feet's too little. We can't find his tracks. Shiloh, you look so pretty, all black in the snow. She's been dying to come out here and play, hadn't she?
Oh, Charlotte.
What are you doing, Scarlett? Stop it.
It's so slippery.
What? I'm watching, yeah.
Jump, jump.
Oh yeah, I forgot she likes to eat snowballs. Don't put too much in her face. That's just cold.
I'm pressing you down.
Oh, watch out for the branch. You're going to poke your eyeball out.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. No, get down.
Hey, there went that little bird. Up in the tree somewhere. See, we can warm up right here in the basement for a minute.
You want to fight? Oh, yeah. They've been wrestling.
Scarlett said I'm sitting down. Are you tired, Scarlett? Oh, Shallow's licking you on the head.
Shallow, guess what? Snow in your back. Shallow, guess what? Snow in your back.
I don't think that's going.
It's just right there. No, it's right there.
Oh, the bird?
It was just right there. It was right
I don't think that's gonna work, Samuel.
I got hung on something.
Yeah, snow.
Well,
That would be what you got
we'll try
hung
doing an
on.
ollie. You ready?
A what?
Ollie.
An ollie? What the world is that?
Pop it up.
Yeah.
Can you
Good
stand
luck with
still?
that.
Can you stand still?
Scarlett's left us.
Mom, I'm
She's
warm
come
now.
out.
I'm warm now.
Her gloves
Mama.
is falling off.
Inside, I'm warm now.
You know they weren't. Son, your face is as red as your hat.
That's just because it's been.
That's because it's
it was
10
cold a while
degrees.
ago.
Don't run over your sister. She's right out the door. I don't think you're going to go very far, though.
Holy cow.
What? Did you say there's a cow?
I said, holy cow.
I thought you said there's a cow. Like, where? Where's the cow?
Watch my back tire. It just spins.
you look crazy.
The snow's weighing me down in a 5-pound jacket that I'm wearing.
Customized tires? Is that what you said?
Yeah.
Woo! I'm slipping everywhere.
They're drifting, see? They drift.
Oh, you're about to drift too. Flat on your face. I got it. I'm slipping. I gotta get all the snow off. Hold on.
Wrestle. Come on.
Yeah, don't run, please. You're gonna slip and fall. I'm telling you, you're gonna get hurt.
Okay. Come on, Charlie.
Oh yeah.